was in dismay.
I heard that everything was not okay.
The house might even fall and then decay.
What do I do about this future sight? Don't want to give the people any flight.
Need to find Bruno just to make things right. Unless we wanna fall by candlelight.
Through doors and through the cracks, I always listen but never act. And though I wish that I could just turn it back, the room must be through a narrow track. Everything is way too loud, the roar of whispers in every crowd. I'm sick of all the noise right now. Oh, can someone please just turn it down? Can the wind just keep burning bright? The prophecy won't be on demise. Clear blue skies, no rain, just shine. If we stick together, we'll be alright. I can hear your fear, I can make them disappear. There are secrets I won't tell, not unless they break the spell.
And you could hear it through the castle's halls, a crack and scurry coming from the walls. So can we answer to the future's call, or will we end up losing it all?
Why couldn't she just shut her mouth tonight? She ruined everything just out of spite.
Oh no, my power's fading by the day. The pressure's sinking in, I can't run away.
Through doors and through the cracks, I always listen but never act. And though I wish that I could just turn it back, the room must be through a narrow track. Everything is way too loud, the roar of whispers in every crowd. I'm sick of all the noise right now. Oh, can someone please just turn it down?
Feeling like I'm always just barely there, only a shadow and it's never fair.
The volume's growing.